This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.0-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, a sliding rear window, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, a bed liner, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Capital City Ford is located at 8623 East Washington Street in Indianapolis. Please stop by our location or visit us online at capcityford.com.